Have you ever felt guilty for not wanting to cook a healthy meal? Like, you know it's good for you, you know you'll feel better if you do it, but you're just too exhausted or overwhelmed to make it happen? Hey, I totally get it. Life as a woman over 40 is jam-packed that sometimes it feels like everything's moving at a million miles a minute, and now we're supposed to cook a healthy meal too? Yeah, right. I'm Aliye, and welcome to my channel, Soul Space Chef. So today I'm sharing the 5 most common myths about cooking healthy meals that I've heard over the years, and powerful mindset shifts that will change how you approach cooking, making it easier and more enjoyable. So let's dive in. Here's myth number 1. I have to be perfect and have endless willpower to cook healthy. You might believe that cooking healthy is all about having enough willpower, that if you just tried harder, you'd magically find the energy and motivation to make these nutritious meals. And if that's not enough, there's also pressure to create perfect meals. Every dish must be flawless or it's a failure. And I believe a lot of this pressure comes from the rise of celebrity chefs over the last 25 years who make cooking look like a high-stakes performance where everything has to be perfect. But I digress. Here's the truth. Healthy cooking consistently is not about willpower or perfection at all. Let's talk about willpower first. It's a limited resource. It gets drained by stress. There's decision fatigue and the busyness of life, especially when you're juggling so much. And on the other hand, perfectionism creates enormous pressure, stress, and a fear of failure that makes cooking feel overwhelming rather than enjoyable. You put these two things together and no wonder cooking feels hard. As you're building new habits around healthy cooking, you may uncover hidden beliefs rooted in your subconscious mind that keep you stuck. These are stories your brain tells itself because it knows them as safe and familiar, even if they aren't serving you anymore. For example, you might believe healthy meals are boring and bland, or I'm just not a good cook, or it takes too much time and effort to eat well. How about this one? Only certain types of people know how to cook healthy. Here's another one I've heard so much. I have to cook perfectly or it's not worth it, or some variation of that. And these beliefs keep you in your comfort zone, even if it means continuing old, less healthy patterns. But the good news is, once you become aware of those hidden stories, you can gently challenge them and eventually change them. Here's a new idea. Instead of relying on willpower or chasing perfection, the key is to identify the limiting beliefs that keep you stuck and overcome them by building simple, automatic habits that support healthy cooking without draining your mental energy. This means creating an environment and routines and a mindset that make healthy choices feel natural and effortless. For example, keeping fresh ingredients on hand, or maybe prepping meals in advance, or finding recipes you actually enjoy and feel confident making. And don't forget to be kind to yourself. Less than perfect meals don't mean failure. Progress beats perfection every single time. Celebrate every small win, whether it's trying to add a new recipe to your repertoire, add an extra veggie to a dish you're making, or make a quick, healthy swap. And by shifting your focus from willpower and perfectionism to habits and self-compassion, you create lasting change that feels natural and sustainable, not exhausting and not overwhelming. So give yourself grace. It's not about pushing harder, it's about working smarter with your brain. For simple, practical ways to build healthy cooking habits without pressure, I recommend checking out my video titled 5 Cooking Habits to Make Healthy Eating Easier. It's packed with easy tips that help busy women over 40 create lasting change without overwhelm. I'll link it down below so you can easily find it. Here's myth number 2. Healthy meals are complicated. Many people believe healthy cooking means preparing fancy meals with lots of ingredients and complicated steps. Again, I think this idea is partly shaped by cooking shows and celebrity chefs who showcase elaborate dishes that look amazing, but often take hours and require a pantry full of ingredients. You might feel like if a meal isn't elaborate enough or time-consuming, it's not truly healthy or satisfying. But here's the thing. Healthy meals can be simple and still delicious and nourishing. As you work on simplifying your cooking, you might find some hidden beliefs holding you back, such as if it's easy, it can't be healthy, or simple meals are boring and bland, or I have to follow complicated recipes to eat well, or healthy food has to look fancy or it won't taste good. These beliefs can make healthy cooking seem overwhelming or totally inaccessible. Here's a new mindset shift for you. Healthy meals don't have to be complicated to be good for you and enjoyable. Focusing on whole, real foods can make meals nourishing and satisfying without the stress of complexity. Choosing a few quality, fresh ingredients prepared with care creates meals that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. And by letting go of that myth that healthy cooking needs to be complex or is complex, you open yourself up to a simpler, more sustainable way of eating, one that fits into your busy life with less stress and more enjoyment. And if you want to make healthy cooking simpler right now, be sure to grab my high protein starter pack. It includes 5 easy, delicious recipes designed to boost your energy and keep you feeling full longer by focusing on protein-rich meals. A key strategy for sustaining healthy eating, especially for busy women over 40. You'll also get a protein cheat sheet, a simple meal plan, and chef tips to make cooking stress-free and enjoyable. I'll link it down below, so be sure to grab your copy. Myth number 3, I'm too busy to cook healthy. This is a popular one. Many people feel their busy schedules make it impossible to cook healthy meals. You might believe that preparing nutritious food takes too much time, and when life gets hectic, it's easier to skip cooking or rely on convenience foods that are less healthy. You might also hold hidden beliefs like healthy cooking always requires long hours in the kitchen, or I don't have time for meal prep or batch cooking, or quick meals can't be healthy, or if I'm busy, it's okay to sacrifice nutrition. That's a popular one. Knowing your healthy cooking archetype, that means knowing whether you prefer meals prepared ahead of time, you enjoy impromptu creativity in the kitchen, or something in between, gives you a personalized roadmap for planning meals that truly fit your lifestyle. For example, some people thrive with batch cooking on the weekends, while others enjoy quick, fresh meals made daily. Some love experimenting with new recipes, others prefer simple staples they know and trust. Once you identify your style, you can focus your search on recipes that fit your archetype and confidently ignore ones that don't. This saves time, reduces overwhelm, and makes healthy cooking more enjoyable and sustainable. When you cook in a way that feels natural and enjoyable to you, healthy eating becomes sustainable, even with a busy schedule. And I am currently working on a fun cooking archetype quiz to help you discover your unique cooking style and get personalized meal planning tips. It's not ready yet, but I'll be sharing it soon. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when it's live and ready. Myth number 4, I don't like a lot of healthy foods. You might believe that healthy eating means piles of rabbit food, endless salads, and steamed veggies with little or no flavor or satisfaction. Maybe you're unsure about healthy really means for your body after 40, or you feel stuck eating foods you really don't enjoy. Many women at this stage of life struggle with questions like, what does a balanced meal look like for me now? Or how much protein do I actually need? Or how can I satisfy cravings without feeling deprived? Or is healthy eating just about eating less? This confusion and misconceptions can make healthy cooking feel frustrating and limiting. So here's a new way to look at it. Healthy eating for women after 40 means real food meals that nourish your body and satisfy your cravings. It's not about restriction or boring rabbit food. It's about meals that include enough protein to support muscle maintenance and metabolism, vibrant veggies for essential nutrients and fiber and carbs, and healthy fats for lasting energy, and flavors that you can't wait to eat. Protein is especially important as we age because it helps preserve muscle mass, supports metabolism, and keeps you feeling full longer, helping to manage cravings and maintain your energy throughout the day. If you can relate to any of this, my high protein starter pack is designed just for you. It's got 5 easy, delicious recipes that not only meet your unique nutritional needs, but also show you exactly what healthy meals can taste like. Whether you're craving comfort or something fresh and vibrant, these recipes help you enjoy eating well without feeling deprived. I'll link the high protein starter pack down below so you can get your free copy and start experiencing how satisfying and enjoyable healthy cooking can be. Myth number 5, cooking is a chore I have to endure. I hear this all the time. You might feel that cooking healthy meals is just a tedious task, something you have to get through rather than actually enjoy. Or maybe you see it as a burden or an obligation that drains your energy, especially after a long day. You might also hold beliefs like cooking takes too much time and effort, it's easier to order takeout or just skip meals, or I don't enjoy cooking. It feels like a punishment. I can't tell you how many people have told me that over the years. And this mindset can make it hard to stay consistent with healthy eating and turn cooking into something joyful. When you shift your perspective and see cooking as an act of self-care and treat it with gratitude, it changes everything. Cooking can be a way to nourish and nurture yourself, an opportunity to slow down, enjoy flavors, and connect with your body. Creating a kitchen environment you love to be in, like playing music or reorganizing it so you can find everything, can really make cooking more enjoyable. Building routines that fit your lifestyle reduces stress and helps you feel in more control. And by embracing cooking as a gift to yourself instead of a chore, you create a sustainable, joyful, healthy eating habit. If you're ready to make cooking more enjoyable, explore the recipe videos on this channel for simple, delicious ideas designed especially for busy women over 40. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, healthy cooking doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be a chore. It's all about shifting those myths and beliefs that hold you back and embracing simple, enjoyable habits that fit your unique lifestyle. If any of these myths resonated with you, start by taking small steps, whether that's trying a new recipe, planning one easy meal, or exploring your body's changing needs. And for more inspiration and practical ideas, be sure to explore the recipe videos on this channel, Soul Space Chef, and subscribe for ongoing tips tailored especially for women over 40. And if you want extra support, grab my free high protein starter pack linked below. It's packed with delicious, nourishing recipes, 5 of them, designed to boost your energy and make healthy cooking easier. You deserve it. I'll see you in the next video.